As artificial intelligence continues to develop at a rapid pace, many individuals in the tech industry are left wondering, is AI really a danger for coders? This question taps into multiple dimensions of the relationship between AI and the coding profession. Understanding this dynamic involves evaluating both the potential threats and the opportunities that AI presents for programmers. One of the primary concerns is the automation of coding tasks. AI tools such as code generators and intelligent programming assistants have the ability to write code quickly and efficiently. This could lead some to fear that their skills may become obsolete as machines take over routine tasks like debugging or generating boilerplate code. However, while AI can handle repetitive tasks, it currently lacks the nuanced understanding and creative problem-solving capabilities that skilled human coders bring to complex projects. Rather than replacing coders, AI can serve as a powerful ally, increasing productivity and allowing developers to focus on more sophisticated aspects of software development. In addition to concerns about job displacement, there are also worries about the ethical implications of AI in coding. As AI systems become more integrated into development processes, issues such as bias, security vulnerabilities, and intellectual property rights come to the forefront. These challenges require coders to adapt and develop an understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations. Consequently, embracing AI can enhance a coder's skill set and equip them with the knowledge needed to navigate the ethical considerations of using AI tools in their projects. Moreover, the rise of AI offers exciting opportunities for innovation in software development. For instance, AI can help coders develop more personalized user experiences and enhance the functionality of applications through data analysis and predictive modeling. By leveraging AI techniques like machine learning and natural language processing, coders can create applications that not only meet user needs more effectively, but also anticipate future demands. This integration of AI into programming can lead to groundbreaking advancements that push the boundaries of what technology can achieve. In conclusion, while the emergence of AI in the coding world does bring certain risks, it is essential to recognize that it also opens doors to new possibilities. Rather than viewing AI solely as a threat, coders can adopt a mindset of collaboration with these technologies. By embracing AI as a complementary tool, coders can enhance their productivity, address ethical challenges, and stay at the forefront of innovation in the tech landscape. Ultimately, the future of coding will likely be defined by a symbiotic relationship between human creativity